Welcome back to Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev and you are watching Study Ashtanga Hridaya series in Ayur Samveda. If you are new to this channel, please click the I button to watch the previous videos. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. Let's move to the video. In the last video, we were discussing about the Kshira Varga. The properties of Ashtakshira have been seen. Today, we will be continuing with the Kshira Varga about the properties of Kshira Vikritis or Kshira Vikaras, that is the milk products. Moving with Dadi. Amlapagarasam Grahi Gurushnam Dadi Vadajit Meda Shukra Bala Shleshma Pitta Rekta Agnishofakrit Rojishnu Shastam Arujau Shitake Vishamajware Pinase Mutra Krishrecha Ruksham tu Grahani Gate Amla Pagarasam Grahi Guru Ushnam Dadi Vadajit Medaha Shukra Bala Shleshma Pitta Rekta Agni Shofakrit Rojishnu Shastam Arujau Shitake Vishamajware पीनसे मूत्रकृच्छ्रे च रूक्षं तु ग्रहणीगते अम्लपाकरसं ग्राहि गुरूष्णं दधि वादजित् मेदः शुक्र बल श्लेष्म पित्त रक्त अग्नि शोफकृत् रोजिष्णु शस्तं अरुजौ शीतके विषमज्वरे पीनसे मूत्रकृच्छ्रे च रूक्षं तु ग्रहणीगते. Dadi or curd is having the properties such as Amla Pakarasa, that is Amla Rasa, and Amla Vipaka, that is Grahi, that is laxative, having Guru Guna and Ushna Virya. It is Meda Shukra Balakrit, that is it enhances or increases the Meda Dhadu and Shukra Dhadu, and it helps in increasing the Bala or the strength of a person. And Agnikrit, it helps in Agni Deepti. It is Rojishnu, that is it helps in improving the taste, and Vadajit, it helps in reducing the Vada dosha. And it is having the Shleshmakrit property, that is it increases the Shleshma dosha. Pitta Rektakrit, it also increases Pitta and Rekta. And Shofakrit, it produces inflammation or Shofa. And this Dadi is indicated in conditions such as Aruchi, that is loss of taste, Shita Jvara and Vishama Jvara, types of fevers, Pinasa, rhinitis, Mutrakrishra, dysuria or difficulty in urination, and Grahani Gada, that is Grahani dosha, a disease condition which is being affected or produced by the Mandakni, and the Dadi which is Ruksha, that is removing the Snigdha part. This Dadi can be given in the persons having Grahani dosha. The rules for intake of Dadi. नैवाद्या निशि नैवोष्णं वसन्तोष्ण शरत्सूना न अमुद्गसूपं न अक्षौद्रं तन्न घृत सितोपलं न च अनामलकं न अपि नित्यं नो मन्दमन्यथा ज्वरासृक् पित्तविसर्प कुष्ठपाण्डु भ्रमप्रदम् न एव अद्यात् निशि न एव उष्णं वसन्त उष्ण शरत्सु न आमुद्ग सूपं न अक्षौद्रं तत् न अघृत असितोपलं न च अनामलकं न अपि नित्यं न मन्दम् अन्यथा ज्वर असृक् पित्त विसर्प कुष्ठ पाण्डु भ्रमप्रदम् न एव अद्यात् निशि न एव उष्णं वसन्त उष्ण शरत्सु न आमुद्ग सूपं न अक्षौद्रं तत् न अघृत असितोपलं न च अनामलकं न अपि नित्यं न मन्दम् अन्यथा ज्वर असृक् पित्त विसर्प कुष्ठ पाण्डु भ्रमप्रदम्. Dadi should not be taken in the night. Nishi. Ushnam. Dadi should not be boiled or heated and should not be consumed. Vasanta Ushna Sharad. Dadi is contraindicated in the seasons or ritus such as Vasanta, Grishma and Sharad. And Akrita. Dadi should not be consumed alone or it should be mixed with ghrita. Without ghrita or any of the substances following, the dadi should not be consumed. Anamalakam, that is without amalaki, the dadi should not be consumed. Asitopalam, without sugar. Amudga soupam, without mudga soupa or green gram soup. Akshaudra without honey, and Nityam, dadi should not be consumed daily, and Mandam, if the dadi is not produced or properly formed, then it should not be consumed. If these rules are not followed, then it can lead to the conditions such as Jwara, that is fever, Asrak Pitta, that is diseases of Rakta and Pitta, mainly bleeding disorders, Visarpa and Kushta, the skin disorders, and Pandu, anemic condition, and Brahma, that is giddiness or dizziness. Takra, Takram lakhu kashayamlam deepanam kaphavadajit shofa udara arsho grahani dosha mutragraha aruchi pliha gulma ghृത व्यापद gara pantuamayan jayet. Takram lakhu kashaya amlam deepanam kaphavadajit shofa udara arsha grahani dosha mutragraha aruchi pliha gulma ghृత व्यापद gara pantuamayan jayet. Takram lakhu kashayamlam deepanam kaphavadajit shofa udara arsha grahani dosha mutragraha aruchi pliha gulma ghृత व्यापद gara pantuamayan jayet. Takra or buttermilk is having the properties such as lakhu, that is it is light to digest, it is deepana, that is it helps in Agni Deepti, and having kashaya and amlarasa, and kapha vadajit, that it reduces the kapha and vada dosha. And this takra is indicated in conditions such as shofa, that is inflammatory conditions, udara, ascites, arsha, piles or hemorrhoids, grahani dosha, the diseases which are being caused by Agni Kshaya or Mandakni, mutragraha, urinary disorders, aruchi, loss of taste or appetite, pliha, the spleen disorders, gulma, the abnormal mass growth, ghृత व्यापद, the complications which are produced by the improper administration of sneha, that is especially ghrita, gara, a type of visha or a toxin, and pantuamaya, that is anemic condition. Mastu, tadvan mastu saram srodha shodhi vishtambajit lakhu. Tadvat mastu saram srodha shodhi vishtambajit lakhu. Tadvad mastu saram srodha shodhi vishtambajit lakhu. Mastu is similar to takra, and it is the liquid superficial portion or supernatant portion of the curd, and it is having the properties such as sara, that is it promotes the movement of fluids or it is laxative, srodha shodhi, that is srodoshodhana or cleansing the channels, vishtambajit, it relieves the constipation, and lakhu, easy to get digested. Navanita, Navanitam navam vrishyam sheetam varnabala aknikrit sankrahi vatapitta asra kshaya arsha ardida kasvajit kshirodbhavam tu sankrahi raktapitta akshi rogajit. Navanitam navam vrishyam sheeta varna bala aknikrit sankrahi vatapitta asra Akshaya Arsha Ardida Kasajit Kshirodbhavam tu Sankrahi Raktapitta Akshi Rogajit. Navanidam Navam Vrishyam Sheetam Varna Bala Aknikrit Sankrahi Vadapitta Asrak Kshaya Arsha Ardida Kasajit Kshirodbhavam tu Sankrahi Raktapitta Akshi Rogajit. Navanita or butter is having the properties such as Vrishya, Shita, Varna, Bala, Aknikrit. It enhances Varna complexion, Bala strength, and Agni, and it is Sankrahi, that is laxative property, and it is indicated in Vada, Pitta and Rakta disorders, in Kshaya condition or emaciation, Arsha, Ardita, that is facial palsy, and Kasa, which is cough. And mainly Navanita or butter is produced by preparing curd and churning the curd. In certain conditions for the medications or medical drugs preparation, Navanita is prepared from the Kshira also. If it is being prepared from the Kshira, the Kshirodbhava Navanita is having the properties such as Sangrahi, Raktapittahara and Akshirogajit. That is, it is very good for relieving the diseases of the eyes. Ghृta शस्तं धी स्मृति मेधाग्नि बल आयु शुक्रचक्षुषां बालवृद्ध प्रजाकान्ति सौकुमार्य स्वरार्थिनां क्षतक्षीण परिसर्प शस्त्र अग्निग्लपितात्मनां वादपित्त विषोन्माद शोषालक्ष्मी ज्वरापहं स्नेहानाम् उत्तमं शीतं वयसः स्थापनं परं सहस्रवीर्यं विधिभिर्कृतं कर्म सहस्रकृत्। शस्तं धी स्मृति मेधा अग्नि बल आयुः शुक्रचक्षुषां बालवृद्ध प्रजाकान्ति सौकुमार्य स्वरार्थिनां क्षतक्षीण परिसर्प शस्त्र अग्नि ग्लपितात्मनां वादपित्त विष उन्माद शोष अलक्ष्मी ज्वरापहं स्नेहानाम् उत्तमं शीतं वयसः स्थापनं परं सहस्रवीर्यं विधिभिः घृतं कर्म सहस्रकृत्। शस्तं धी स्मृति मेधा अग्नि बल आयु शुक्र चक्षुषां बालवृद्ध प्रजाकान्ति सौकुमार्य स्वरार्थिनां क्षतक्षीण परिसर्प शस्त्र अग्नि ग्लपितात्मनां वादपित्त विष उन्माद शोष अलक्ष्मी ज्वरापहं स्नेहानाम् उत्तमं शीतं वयसः स्थापनं परं सहस्रवीर्यं विधिभिः घृतं कर्म सहस्रकृत्। The ghrita or the ghee is having the properties such as helpful in dhi, smriti and medha, that is increasing the or improving the dhi, smriti and medha, that is intellect and memory, improving the agni, improving bala, improving ayu and improving shukra, and it is good for chakshu or eyes. And the other properties of ghrita are, it is snehanam uttamam, that is the best among the snehadravyas. It is having the shita virya, and sahasra virya, that is it has or it enhances the potency if it is being produced properly with the drugs. It can be given or taken by the people who are bala, vriddha and sukumara, that is the child or children, then old aged people, and sukumara, the person who are not able to tolerate the stress, and praja, that is the person who is liking to have the children, is advised to take ghrita, and for improving the complexion, kanti, and swararthina for good voice. And this ghrita is indicated in conditions such as kshatakshina, that is injury to the chest region, parisarpa or visarpa, a skin condition or skin disease, shastra agni glapitatmana, that is a person who is being debilitated by the shastra or injury or wound, and agni, that is by burn, vata pitta, that is to reduce the vata and pitta dosha, visha, toxins or poisons, unmada, a mental disorder, shosha, becoming emaciated, alakshmi, inauspiciousness, and jwara, fever. Ghrita, certain more properties has been mentioned. Mata apasmara murchaya shiraha karnakshi yonijan puranam jayati vyadhin vranashodhana ropanam. Mada apasmara murcha shiraha karna akshi yonijan puranam jayati vyadhin vrana shodhana ropanam. Mata apasmara murcha shira karna akshi yonijan puranam jayati vyadhin vrana shodhana ropanam. So if the ghrita is having almost 10 years, it is considered as Purana Ghrita, and if the ghrita is more than 10 years, it is called as Prapurana Ghrita. And these ghrita are having the properties such as, or it can be used in conditions such as mada and murcha, that is delusion or unconsciousness conditions, apasmara, that is epileptic attacks, shira karna akshi roga, that is the disorders or diseases of shira, that is head, karna, ear, and akshi, eyes, and yoni roga, that is in gynecological disorders or especially vaginal diseases, and vrana, shodhana, ropana, that is in wound or ulcer for shodhana and ropana, for cleansing and healing. Coming to the Kshira Vikritis, Balyaha Kilada Piyusha Kurchika Moranadeha Shukra Nidra Kapakara Vishtambajit Guru Doshala. Balyaha Kilada Piyusha Kurchika Moranadeha Shukra Nidra Kapakara Vishtambi Guru Doshala. Balyaha Kilada Piyusha Kurchika Moranadeha Shukra Nidra Kapakara Vishtambi Guru Doshalaha. The properties of this Kshira Vikriti are, it is Guru, it helps in increasing the Shukra and it helps in producing Nidra, and it is Kaphakara or increases the Kapha or Shleshma dosha, and it increases Vishtambi or produces Vishtamba, that is constipation, and it is Doshala, that is it increases the dosha of the body. And these Kshira Vikritis are Kilada, that is a solid portion which is being produced by adding milk to the curd or buttermilk. That type of curd like preparation is called as Kilada. Piyusha is the milk of the cow which has given birth to the calf. And Kurchika is the solid portion which is being prepared by adding the boiled milk to curd or buttermilk. And Morana or Moreta is the sour or thin liquid portion which is being produced by adding milk to the curd or buttermilk. Morana or Moreta is the thin liquid portion and Kilata is the solid portion. Gavye Kshirakhride Sreshte Nindide cha Avisambhave. Gavye Kshire Ghride Sreshte Nindide cha Avisambhave. Gavye Kshira Ghride Sreshte Nindide cha Avisambhave. The milk and ghee obtained from the cow's milk is the best, and those which are being produced from avi or sheep is considered as the worst milk and curd. Here the Kshira Varga is being ending. So in the first initial time, the Ashtakshira, the properties of 8 types of milk has been mentioned, and after that the properties of Kshira Vikritis like Dathi, Ghrida, Navanida, etc. has been mentioned. Today we have completed the Kshira Varga of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 5th chapter. We will be continuing the rest chapter in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.